So here I've attached it. Usually when you do this for the first time, it's going to ask for drivers, especially Windows. It's going to ask for drivers. It's going to try to install them on its own. I think it usually works, but if anyone has an issue, just ask me. I'll help you out. So, good. So what you're going to do is, here are the buttons up top. You have verify, stop. Verify is compile, actually. Stop is useful if you're getting serial data back and you want it to stop communicating with Arduino. New file, open, save. Upload will compile and upload to your Arduino. And the serial monitor opens up. Doesn't open up anything. Okay. At the bottom. Yeah, no. What happened there? So you're going to want to set the board to the right one. It is.
Well, you got it.
Okay.
Oh, where's my Zoom?
So the serial monitor opens up this little thing right here, which will actually get values back from this if you had serial data being passed over USB, and you can read and you can actually write serial to this and communicate both ways. So your serial monitor, in this case there's no serial, so we're not going to need it. Let's compile. Yesterday I had trouble with this actually. I didn't always work on the first try, but I think it worked. That compiles it, and it's going to tell me that it. See, yeah, I did this yesterday too.
What was it saying?
Just maybe blow on the inside.
Where's the other one? I had trouble with one.
That's such an Indian thing.
Oh yeah, you don't give me the other one.
No, that's everybody does. But that never fix it.
I have
Let's
a weird
just go
feeling,
play N64.
It's not an Indian thing.
It's just a cable.
Or N64
It
thing.
doesn't work. This one I think was supposed to. I think I deleted it. We're on this side. Why? Because I was playing around with it.
Yeah, seriously, I did that so much.
So
Like, put it in I know.
yeah. So I've uploaded the code. It tells you that you're uploaded, and as you
Because
can
you're not
see,
paying attention.
pin 13, right here, blinks on and off 1 second at a time. Right.
Fluctuates.
Really simple. That's your basic sort of program. As an example, in contrast, there's a different way to do this blink sort of example that doesn't use delay, because as I said, delay can cause issues because it pauses your entire code. In this example, you do it by checking the amount of time that has passed since the program started, and then you kind of compare it to the last time you checked that the program has started, or the last time you blinked it, I should say. So you have this, we don't have time, so I explained it yesterday, I'll go over it tomorrow. But this is a slightly more complicated way of blinking LED 1 second at a time, and I'll show you that it actually has the same effect. But if you were to have another function somewhere else do something, it wouldn't get locked up because of the delay.
I'm going to show
You still have
her.
to go through this if statement, but it doesn't take nearly as much time as waiting a second. And you can see that it uploaded and it's still blinking 1 second at a time. And then if I was to, how much time do we have?
A lot.
Do it?
We have like an hour.
No, for these kids.
Oh.
2 minutes.
Alright, so let me just show you. So, let me just show you a serial example. Basic sort of skeleton for your code, right? Void setup and void loop. Let's say I want to send serial back every time I start the Arduino. You have to initiate a serial stream. Did I misspell begin? Why did it register as? Oh wow, the B looks like a T from earlier. Okay, so you're going to initiate the serial stream as with serial.begin. 9600 refers to the baud rate. That's the bits per second, the rate at which information comes down through the Arduino. 9600 is the default. You get other standard values. At higher values, though, especially for things like Wi-Fi modules, you start losing data more easily, and the range goes down. But for our purposes, 9600 is fine. We go down here. Actually, no, let me not use the. You don't have to use the the loop function, but you have to have it in there. So in this case, I'll just leave it blank because it's only going to do one thing. And then we'll write serial.println hello world. Okay. Then we're going to compile and upload. And In fact, it's not going to do anything on the board, but this is still going to be executed on here. We're just not going to see it. In this case, we're going to have to open up the serial monitor, and it actually already printed it, but if I restart it, I hit the reset button, it prints
Pretty
out
epic.
Congratulations, you used a chip to do something your computer can do anyway.
Yes, exactly. But it's serial is super useful for debugging. We'll do a lot more of it tomorrow, especially when we start reading from sensors.
First video over.